Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to file a claim with Faye Travel Insurance. So go ahead and open the Faye app on your iOS device or Android device. Then click Trips on the bottom menu. In the Trips tab, you can select the relevant trip you're filing a claim for. Now once you've selected a trip, you'll need to provide details of your claim, whether it's a medical issue, a situation regarding your flights, baggage or belongings, trip cancellations, or you can select Other if your reason is not listed among the quick options. From here, you can add any necessary documents to support your claim. If you don't have them handy, you can still file your claim and add the documents later via the app. On the next page, you'll need to provide details on when it happened, then click Next. After that, you also need to add the amount you're claiming for and then sign an honesty pledge to submit your claim. All claims will be trackable and viewable by clicking the specific trip in the Trips tab on the app. Your claim history will indicate the status of your claim. Now, if you don't have the app, alternatively, you can use the email which we'll be dropping in the description below, so you can easily click on that link and then use your email to provide all the details about the trip, when it happened, supporting documents, all in the email, and send it to the email address which we'll be providing. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.